Once upon a time, in the enchanting world of Pixie Hollow, there lived a tiny talented fairy named Tinkerbell. Tinkerbell was known for her creativity and skill in fixing and making things. But one day, while tinkering with some magical tools, Tink accidentally broke the magical Pixie Dust machine. Without Pixie Dust, none of the fairies would be able to fly. Determined to fix her mistake, Tinkerbell set off on a brave adventure to find a rare flower, the Moonflower, that could restore the machine's magic. Along the way, she met a kind firefly named Sparky, who offered to guide her through the dark forest. With Sparky's help, Tinkerbell found the Moonflower glowing in a hidden meadow. She carefully plucked the flower and flew back to Pixie Hollow. Using her tinkering skills, Tinkerbell repaired the Pixie Dust machine and added the Moonflower's magic. The machine sprang to life, and Pixie Dust flowed again, making all the fairies in the Pixie Hollow fly once more. Tinkerbell's quick thinking and bravery saved the day, and her friends cheered her on for being such a wonderful fairy. From that day forward, Tink knew that even when things go wrong, a little creativity and teamwork can make everything right.